Screen Bars back again with another reaction video. Through check out Nailah, Blackman, Medz Say Less official music video. I think this is actually a Trinidadian artist or artist because it's Medz. I know that he's a Trinidadian artist, so must be. So we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. And I can't lie, it's been a while since I reacted to. Oh, look at girl, bruh. Fuck, dude. Alright, say this. Is that female? That female. From your smooth like butter. From you got a one say go ball for your mother. If you go pop down butter. My girl, if I get it once, you pop down. See we out and wine like animals. Just every day like it's carnival. We bad girl and tell them me like. Make you wet up the place like you there stand pipe. Wait. Is there a standpipe in Trinidad? Because we have a, you know what? I'm not gonna say. I'm just wondering. I'm just wondering, bro. Oh, they put. Wait. Damn, man. Yo, listen. When I see the chocolate queens, the chocolate empress. Dude, I'm liking this video, bro. I like how they are doing it. Yeah, put it in a glass, head turn up like baseline, savage in a dance, body bubble like champagne. When I put it on, do I do beg for the light. Baby, promise. I'm not running anywhere, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I like her voice, bro. Her voice sounds very good. I like it. Not gonna lie, bro. Trinidad seems to have a lot of pretty females. Man, one day I want to go to Trinidad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. One day. Trinidad is actually on my bucket list. It's on my bucket list. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite songs right now out of Trinidad. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this song a lot, bro. Yo, Trinidad, yeah, that look good, bro. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This is one of my this is one of the best Trinidad songs I ever listened to. I don't know because it have a dancing vibes and the females are so beautiful, but I love this girl, bro. What's her name? Nailah, Blackman. I'm gonna look up more for her. I love her voice, bro. Her voice is so damn good. Not gonna lie, but this song was actually very good, very good. I think this is one of my favorite Trinidad songs. I love it. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the original video. Peace out. Enough love.